Hey, first I wash his face with soap and then I wash his face with water. Then now I clean her face. Now his face is little much clear. Now use pink color gel, water, then wash. Again gel, his face blue, clean water, clear his skin. Now last has yellow face pack. Now then his skin is clear now. Now clean has dark circle clean now. Now cut has eyebrows extra. Has pimple was gone like this. Cucumber. Now wash towel.